Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up WooCommerce on WordPress Elementor. First, you will need a solid foundation, which means selecting a reliable web hosting provider and registering your unique domain name. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making this initial step quite straightforward. Once WordPress is installed, log into your administrative dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website and preparing it for your online store. Now that WordPress is ready, let's add the essential tools. Head over to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you will search for WooCommerce and Elementor. Install both of these powerful plugins. WooCommerce transforms your site into an online store, while Elementor provides intuitive drag-and-drop page building. Remember to activate both plugins immediately after installation to ensure they are fully functional. With WooCommerce activated, a helpful setup wizard will guide you through the initial configuration. This is where you'll define crucial details like your store's location, preferred currency, and the types of products you plan to sell. Take your time to accurately input this information. Next, it's time to add your very first products, complete with compelling descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. Finally, let's make your store visually appealing using Elementor. You can use Elementor to design stunning custom shop pages, individual product layouts, and even your checkout experience. This allows for complete creative control to match your brand's unique identity. After customizing your store's appearance and reviewing all settings, your online shop will be ready for its grand launch. Congratulations on setting up your new e-commerce venture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.